Help messages make your forms more understandable to your audiences. Therefore, you can set help messages in your WP Fluent Forms to provide default support to your users. Go to the input customization of the input field you want to display your help messages for. Click on Advanced Options. Set the help message as required. You must save the form. The admin has full access to customize the position and presentation of help messages in different ways. Go to the particular form settings. Here, from Help Message Position, choose your preference. Beside label shows the message as a tooltip. Choosing below input fields will show the help message below the blank input field, not as a placeholder. Choosing focus on the element presents the help message only when the particular field is selected. To get the desired output, you must save the settings after completing the customization. For more plugin updates and awesome tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon.